Alrighty, here we go. We've got the final exam review for semester 2, Algebra 2. We're going way back to concept number 2 with problem number 1. So we've got a graph right here that seems to give us a couple of different functions, an f of x and a g of x. And we've got some questions based on it. First thing we've got to realize, this is g of x and it crosses, so be careful that you don't think this one's g of x when we get down to this problem right here. So, first question, at what value of x is f of x equal to g of x? Well, if the two functions are the same, it must be that point right there. That point is at 4, 5. It's asking for your x value, so that would just be asking for the point 4. So at g of 2, we've got to remember that this is an input and an output. That this is your input, and this would be your output. So at g of 2, so this is our input, so we come up here and we look at the output. But here's where you've got to be careful. The g of x is this line right here. So you've got to pay attention that for question B, I'm looking at that line right there. So at 2, I need to have an output that's right here, so that's at 1, 2, 3. So g of 2 is equal to 3. At what value of x is f of x equal to 1? So that's the output is equal to 1. In a sense right here, this was the input and this was the output. So now I'm asking for what was the input if a 1 came out. So a 1 came out, but I don't want this dark line because now I want the f of x line. The f of x line is right here, so I must have put in a 2 to get a 1 to come out. So f of 2 is what gave me a 1, so the answer is 2.